Hi, here we have Navjivan Express from Ahmedabad to Chennai leaves Ahmedabad at 6:30 a.m. and travels at 50 kmph towards Baroda. Okay, so we have Ahmedabad and then we have Baroda. So this train Navjivan Express travels at 50 kilometers per hour and leaves at what time? 6:30 a.m. Okay. Now, Howrah-Ahmedabad Express leaves Baroda towards Ahmedabad and travels at 40 kilometers per hour. So 40 kmph. This train is Howrah-Ahmedabad Express and it leaves at what time? 7 a.m. Okay. Now at 7:30 a.m. Mr. Shah, the traffic controller at Baroda, realizes that both of them are running on the same track. So how much time does he have to avert a head-on collision between the train? So let's see what happens at 7:30. At 7:30 a.m. this train would have reached here, Navjivan Express. What is the distance it would have covered? It started at 6:30. So till 7:30 it has travelled for 1 hour. So in 1 hour it would have travelled 50 kilometers. Right? Similarly, the Howrah-Ahmedabad Express would have reached here till 7:30. So from 7 till 7:30 it travels for half an hour at a speed of 40. So in half an hour at a speed of 40 it would have travelled 20 kilometers. Okay. And we also know that the total distance between Ahmedabad and Baroda is given to us as 100. So at 7:30 the distance between these two trains will be 100 minus 50 minus 20. So 50 plus 20 is 70. 100 minus 70 is 30. So at 7:30 the distance between these two trains is 30 kilometers and they are traveling towards each other at 50 and 40 kmph. So now time taken for them to meet or collide will be the distance between them divided by their relative speed, which is 90 kilometers per hour. So the traffic controller effectively has 1/3 hour. 1/3 of an hour is effectively 1/3 into 60 minutes, which is 20 minutes. So the traffic controller has exactly 20 minutes to avert this collision. So the correct answer here will be option B. Thank you.